think just about everything development that you see across India, whether it's infrastructure, whether it's education, I think our sector has propelled a lot of that. So each of you, while I think you're very proud of your organization, you should also be very proud of what the sector is doing to transform in. There is still job creation happening in this industry. The media tends to be a lot more influenced with what is happening only in the big services companies. And yes, there is some sort of a correction happening there because of the over-hiring that happened in 21 and 22, and it's not just India, right? You see this in big tech companies that is happening. So one is that we hired as an industry almost 800,000 people in 21, 22, and that's never happened, right? So there's a correction that's happening in 23, 24. But even the data that NASSCOM published as of March 24, we are saying the industry created almost 60, 70,000 net new jobs. So despite some companies degrowing, there is lots of opportunity out there. Also the slowdown in hiring, and I'm using the word slowdown and not layoffs, is because of the global macro environment. I don't think AI has a role to play there. AI is an opportunity for our industry, and I think that's how we should think about it. It will create new jobs, yes, the jobs will be different, but there's no reason to say it will take away my job. And I think that's the real message that I want to leave with each of you, that don't fear AI. It's an opportunity for India, just like we rode the digital, the cloud, every technology wave. I think we can do very well with the AI wave also. All sectors, but I think all the research that is currently out there points to 4 key sectors. One is obviously banking and financial services and what can happen with AI implementation, which is already happening in many ways. The second is really the retail and CPG sector, because there's just so much customer centricity that AI can provide there. I think if you think about healthcare, again, Christopher already talked about that. But you're seeing very innovative examples, whether it's drug discovery or diagnostic. I think there's a lot of very interesting things happening. And I think the last is really manufacturing, right? That can really transform itself with use of AI. So those are the 4 sectors where the most change is likely, where you're seeing early adoption of use cases, particularly from a Gen AI perspective. AI has been around for a much, much longer time, but you're really seeing even in Gen AI that's happening. And from a business function, it's really customer service, sales and marketing, product research and design, and software coding.